Welcome back all of you to the channel CS Infosticks. So today we are going to look at a wonderful opportunity which is from AWS. So basically this program is from AWS, Amazon Web Services. So it is called as AWS Community Builder. So today we are looking at this opportunity. So you must definitely get enrolled in this opportunity and register yourself in the application. So the link is provided in the description. So just check the whole video, go through the video, and you will get to know all the steps which are required in the process. So stay tuned. So basically, in 2025 AWS Community Builder, I was selected as a AWS Community Builder, and likewise, you can see the mail like, "Hi there, Chaitanya, you have made it. You are an AWS Community Builder. Congratulations." So likewise, I was in the top 20% people who were selected in the last year, and likewise, you can see I got the mail on March 5, 2025. So likewise, you get a mail if you are selected in this program, and likewise, you can contribute. So basically, let me talk about the perks which you will get from this program. So you can see this. These are the swags rewards I got after I was selected in the AWS Community Builder, and it was a great milestone for me. And there were lots of achievements other than this. This is one of the thing which you will get in the AWS Community Builder program once you get selected. And the very main thing is you will get $500 credits for using AWS, that is Amazon Web Services platform. So in that you can build projects and go through that the whole portal. So once you click on the link, you will be redirected on this page. So once you see this page, you can see this like 2026 AWS Community Builder application form. So basically, this is kind of application form which is like you can become a AWS Community Builder where you can guide different kinds of students, candidates, or other working professional in terms of cloud technologies or else AWS also. So likewise, once you get selected, like only like I can say 20%, around 20% people get selected out of 100%. So just the thing is you need to follow the steps and make sure you have done the correct approach, which I have told to you. So let's start. So once you see this page, you can just click on login. Once you click on login, you will be redirected to a page where you can create your account of AWS, and likewise you can follow the steps or sign up. And once you are signed up, you will see this page with your account loaded, as you can see at the right side. And once you get onto the page, you will get this information. So what is that, I will tell you now. So the thing is, like, last 6 days are remaining for filling up this application window. So you can see this like January 21st, 2026 will be the last date according to this time of Pacific time. And likewise, you can register yourself before this time. So last 6 days are left. So I will recommend to do application process as early as possible. So once you submit the form, you will get the results by early March 2026. It is mostly in the first or second week of March. So as you can see, like, program space is limited. So not all applicants will be approved. As I told you, like almost 20 to 30% only candidates are selected from for the AWS Community Builder. So the basic requirement is like you must be above the 18 age and older, and likewise you must be building technical things like you might be conducting some webinars, tutorials, live presentations, blog posts. So AWS wants to see these things. Likewise, on that basis, they will be selecting you. So they just want the things like long form written format articles, like you can post article on Medium platform or else any other platform which is recognized. So it might be blog posts. Then you might have uploaded any videos on YouTube also. So you can share that links. Basically, you need to share that links in the application itself. So I will be showing one by one. So your main focus must be of these things, and especially from these things like blog post, for example, you must be posting related to cloud technologies. So before this year, like before 2026, the applicants were accepted only who were doing the work on AWS things. But right now they have opened the window for all tech enthusiasts who are building the technical things, especially related to cloud concepts or else AIML, so that everyone gets to learn lots of things. So once before proceeding, you can read all these terms and condition, and if you meet that, you can just click on I meet the requirement to apply for this program. So like, So once you have read all these things, all the criteria, so if you meet the criteria, you can just click on this, I meet the requirements to apply for this program. So once you click on next, you can see this, are you currently part of any of this community AWS community program? So if you are, you can click that, or else if you're not, you can just click this, I'm not currently part of this program. Once you click that, you can click on next. So they will be telling you like, are you an Amazon employee? So if you are, then you can click on yes or else no. So for now, I am clicking on no. Then likewise, I will. Once you click on next, you will be forwarded to the fourth page. That is, are you an analyst or accredited member of the press? So if you are, then you can select likewise. So for now, I am selected no, and it is saying like, are you currently a student? So if you are, you can just click on yes. So for now, I am not. So in the next page, you can see it is the information section page. So in this, you must fill the first name and last name here, then your builder ID and email address. And the next one, after entering your name, you must fill the builder ID email address. So this, make sure that this should be personal email address, because they are not accepting the work email address here. And if you need to change your email address, you must do it here. You can just click that link and then return to the application and start likewise. Okay. And email address, it will be asking for the employee name, so you can put the employee name like your company name, or else if not, you're not a working professional, you can just put NA like this. So likewise, you can just fill the job title. For now, I have just entered data analyst. And likewise, if you don't have any job title, you can put NA here. So it is asking like, have you applied to join this program before? So if you are a returning applicant, like you might have applied 1 year before or 2 year before, and you might have not shortlisted at that time. So you must fill the form like likewise according to you. So for now, I'm just clicking on no. And likewise, you can enter your country or territory where you reside, and likewise you can proceed. So for now, I have, since I am from India, I have clicked on IN. You can click on your country likewise. Okay, once it is done, you can click on next. Then it will ask you things like, do you consider yourself as a member of an underrepresented demographic in the technology? So if you are, you can click likewise. So it is totally optional. You can these all questions are totally optional, you can do according to that. And here is the very very important section. This So this section basically is like, the applicants will be assigned on the topic. So here are the different kinds of topic area groups. So likewise, once you show this interest, like if you are interested in AI engineering, so if you get selected, you will be deployed under the AI engineering topic area. So in the group of AI engineering, once you selected, you will be added in that group in the Slack community of AWS, and you will be able to get your other AWS community builders where you can share the knowledge, gain the knowledge, and lots of perks you have. So likewise, you can see this AI engineering and different kinds of cloud operations and containers. Likewise, you can select. So for now, I am selecting the data, and once you select on data, you can just click on next. Just you must make sure you read all these things, and once it is done, you can click on next. So these are the different things like, over the past 12 months, how often have you participated in the activities below? So you can just click according to that. So like you can see this authoring technical box. So if you have authored technical box, you can write daily, weekly according to you. Totally depends on you. For now, I am selected randomly. You must read all these things perfectly and likewise answer, because this will be a very defining factor for your selection. So it is a required section. You must fill all the details according to it. Once this is done, it is saying like, you can just read it out. Make sure you they have zero tolerance policy for plagiarism. So make sure whatever content you have posted on any platform, rather be it articles or else any content on YouTube. So any plagiarism content found, they will remove that, and also you will be disqualified. So you must certify that the content links you are submitting for review contains your own work, and there is no plagiarized text or images from the other sources. So definitely you must select yes, or else you will be disqualified. Definitely. Make sure you post the content only which is non-plagiarized, and it will be definitely worth the thing for selection. So here they have mentioned like, you must share minimum of 2 links to the public example, with the content you might have created, or else the presentation you might have given to the other communities, or else AWS or cloud community related things. So you can see that what are the reasons why people don't make it into the program, because content you create for work is not considered community content. So make sure community content is a thing you provide. So you will be providing few links. So you can see the examples here. You must read all the things and make sure whatever the content is, it must not be any AI generated content which you are posting. So you can see this like community contribution content example one. So you can enter the community contribution content example one here. Then like what language is your content linked above in, so you can just click on language according to you. And likewise this is the example number two, and you must enter according to that. So these are the two links you must provide. And also this is the optional question: would you like to provide an example of something you are built using AWS services? So you can enter here likewise. And once it is done, you can click on next. So just let me uh, just enter a few things for now, and likewise we can proceed ahead. Once you click on next, it is asking like AWS builder centralized. It looks like this. This is just an example like JSON done, added JSON done. So if you haven't got it yet, or else haven't done it yet, here, and likewise you can log in and claim your uh, like your alias here. Okay, once it is done, you can just click on next. It is optional, so it depends totally on you. So once it is done, you can see that you must share at least one link to any of the online profile. Just like you can see YouTube channel link, uh, you can share the YouTube channel link. You can share the LinkedIn, GitHub, blog URL, Twitter, and likewise your personal website URL. So you can at least mention one of the things here, and likewise click on next button. Once it is done, you can see this like did any AWS employee, AWS hero, or is AWS community builder refer you? So if yes, you can just include the name here, and likewise you can proceed to the apply next button, and likewise you can proceed to the next button. Once it is done, you can see this like by submitting your application, this voluntary program, you agree that you are 18 plus, and likewise you agree to the terms and condition of the AWS code of conduct. Once you click on I agree, this is very important thing, and you must click on next. So this is the final page. You just need to click on the submit button. Once it is done, you are good to go. You just need to wait till March earlier week, almost like first week or so. So I hope you must have understood the whole process of the application and what are the rewards. So thank you so much for watching. Keep supporting CS Infosticks.